Squid Game, it's popular again. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with red light, green light, or Ddakji game. Then there's a third game with 6-legged pentalons. Now, I'll break down Ddakji. It's a rich history in Korea, and I'll give you tips on how to win this game and move on to the next level. Hey everyone, I'm Ronny. Welcome back to Magic Noodles, where we dive into amazing games, stories, and tips. Today, we're talking about Ddakji. It's that awesome card flipping game from Squid Game from Netflix. But did you know it's been a favorite in Korea for years? Stick around because I'll show you how to make your own Ddakji, explain its history, and even share pro tips to win every time. Before we dive into today's video, I've got some exciting news. I'm giving away 5 red and 5 blue Ddakji cards to a few lucky viewers. Want to win? It's simple. Just drop a comment on this video saying Ddakji giveaway. That's it. Good luck, and let's start with this video. So, what exactly is Ddakji? It's a super fun game where players take turns throwing a folding paper tile to flip their opponent's tile on the ground, and the first to successfully flip the other's Ddakji wins. Sounds simple, right? But there's a lot of skill involved, and trust me, it's addictive. Ddakji has been around for generations in Korea. It's a traditional game that kids played with whatever they had on hand, like scrap paper, similar to games like marbles or pogs in other cultures. Ddakji is simple yet strategic. It became globally famous thanks to Squid Game. Remember that intense scene? But the game itself isn't about pressure, it's about fun, creativity, and skill. While we don't know who actually invented it, Ddakji is a huge part of Korean childhood memories and culture. Ddakji is popular because it's so easy to play, and all you need is a folded paper. No expensive toys, no complicated rules, just skill and practice. It's also a social game, great for bonding with friends or challenging family members. In Korea, it's nostalgic, but thanks to Squid Game, it's gone global. Now, let's make your very own Ddakji. You'll need 2 pieces of square paper. This method works because I've tried and failed making Ddakji tile cards. These are origami cards and they weigh 230 grams, and in the description I'll put a link where you can get these at a very reasonable price. So, ready? Let's fold. Firstly, what you will need to do is fold these paper cards in half so you form a rectangle. You're going to fold each one. You don't need to be accurate, but you just need to make sure they go as close to the center line. Now you're going to make a cross shape, so one on top of the other. And next, what you're going to do is you're going to make a triangle with each side. You don't need to be accurate, you just need to make sure they go as close to the center point of the one in the middle. So like this. You just need to fold these in half, make sure they go as close to that line, and then you're going to flip them over. And you're going to do this another 3 more times. Once again, you don't need to be accurate, and you're just going to fold these over. And we're going to do this 1 more time before we do the final step. So with the final step, you're going to do the 90-degree angle, and you're going to place it in the flap on the left hand side where I'm pointing there. It's going to go inside that, and there you go, you've made your very own Ddakji. You can even decorate it to make it unique. Okay, now for the part you've been waiting for. How to always win at Ddakji. Here are my top tips. optimal throwing angle. Throw your Ddakji at a slight downward angle to maximize the force and impact. Aim to hit the edge of your opponent's tile. This makes a big difference and it makes it easier to do it all the time. Heavier paper. These origami cards makes it easier to make a bevel shape at the other side of the tile. Using thicker paper or tighter folds is very important. A heavier Ddakji creates more momentum, making it easier for you to flip your opponent's tile. And finally, placement strategy. To flip your opponent's tile slightly raised or on a corner, this makes it more likely to flip when you hit it. With these tips, you'll always dominate at Ddakji every time. And that's everything you need to know about Ddakji. The history, how to make it, pro tips to win. Now, it's your turn to give it a shot. Make your own Ddakji, try it out, and share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Until next time, keep playing and stay magical.